Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by updating both the router and your Xbox. This fixes protocol bugs that cause latency. Once done, switch to wired Ethernet or position for strong 5 GHz signal because Wi-Fi interference adds jitter. Run the Xbox network test and record NAT type, latency, and packet loss percentage so you know the baseline. Make sure you close background downloads and streaming apps on the console. These first checks isolate whether the delay is local, ISP, or game server related. You now tune your router settings to favor low latency. Enable Co-S and prioritize your Xbox's MAC address or the game ports so packets get sent first. This reduces queuing delay during busy periods. Assign a reserved IP to the console, and if you see double NAT, put the modem into bridge mode to avoid translation lag. Also change wireless channel and disable 20/40 MHz mixing on 4 GHz to cut interference. After each change, retest latency to measure improvement. You finish by swapping DNS to a fast provider like Cloudflare or Google to reduce lookup delay, then reset the Xbox network settings and power cycle modem and router to clear stale routes. Test games and compare results to your baseline. If latency or packet loss persists, collect test logs and call your ISP. Ask them to check routing and packet loss on your line. One key troubleshooting tip: plug directly into the modem with the Xbox to determine if the router is the bottleneck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.